Hi, my name is Patrick Husting, and I'm excited to show you our newest version of PushBI for Windows 8. At Extended Results, we're very excited about all the new Windows 8 tablets coming out. That's because we get to marry our personal business intelligence solution along with all your productivity applications and documents in this new and exciting user interface. PushBI for Windows 8 is available in the Windows Application Store, and after you download and install, you'll be presented with a PushBI tile on your start screen. Let's get started by touching the PushBI tile to launch the application. Immediately, you're launched into the PushBI app, and you'll have an interactive dashboard, kind of like the TV financial news shows, like CNBC. Scrolling on the bottom here are the KPIs that you follow closely. These are your favorites, the favorite KPIs, 5, maybe 10 KPIs that you track a month. Right below that are what we call movers. Movers are the top 5 and bottom 5 KPIs that you have access to. That's powerful because you might have access to a lot of KPIs, and this bubbles up those movers for you. If we slide to the right, you will notice the social discussion. These are the latest comments posted against the KPIs that you have access to. You immediately know what's going on without having to send an email or make calls and wait for a response. It's just right there. If we keep scrolling to the right, you'll see your favorites, and they're all color-coded, so immediately you know what's performing well and what's not performing well. And if I keep going over to the right, you get to see your movers. Again, these are the top 5 and bottom 5 moving KPIs that you have access to. That's powerful. Now you immediately kind of know what's going on. If I swipe down from the top, I bring down these boxes here that allow me to get to other parts of the application. So what I want to do is I want to go into my metrics catalog. The metrics catalog are all the KPIs that you have access to. So again, it's a very personalized solution in that based on your security within the organization, we make sure we deliver the right metrics to the right people and only the right people. As I scroll left to right, you can see I really have a lot of KPIs in my solution here. So what's the best way to get to the sales metrics? Well, let's zoom out. It's a neat feature of Windows 8. So as I zoom out, now I get to see the different categories of metrics that I have access to. So what I really want to do is I want to go into sales. And sales is performing well, but we all love sales revenue. So let's click into that. Immediately, I'm presented with the trends of sales here. I can change my graph. Maybe I like a bar chart, or maybe I even like a pie chart to see how my sales are performing over time. When I scroll to the right here, I even have some more information. Again, here's my business social discussion on that KPI, so I have the latest thread of information. It's not lost in an email somewhere or in an instant message somewhere. It's related right to that KPI so everybody knows. If I wanted to add my own status update, I just click here, type in my message, and hit send, and then everybody's informed. A little bit more over to the right here are the related reports. Yep, you heard me right, related reports. So for the KPI that I'm tracking here, sales revenue, these are all the reports that contain sales revenue. That's powerful. You don't have to rewrite your reports. We just link to them with the full fidelity of rendering through Windows 8. So let's go a little bit further. What if I just wanted to know about the social discussion? So the social discussion, that's all the latest comments in regards to all the KPIs that I have access to. And you can see the color coding on it. So if something's yellow, I can drive right into that quickly and get there. All these comments are clickable, so you can go into the details of those metrics quickly. I can go into the report catalog. Now in the report catalog, these are all the reports that I have access to. That's a great feature. I can quickly get to the reports that I have access to. I don't have to hunt and find for them. They're stored in categories too. So here's my CRM reports, here's my dashboard reports. Now if I wanted to go into a report, I just one click away and I'm right there quickly within Windows 8. Now a really neat feature here is I'm going to go back to my report catalog. I'm going to go back to my metrics catalog. I can take this and then dock it over here on the right hand side, and then there's my metrics there. And then I could swipe over my report and I could still work. Oh, well, maybe I want to get to a different category. I want to go into marketing and look at my metrics here. So that's really powerful. In one app, I have my metrics on the right hand side. I can view the detail of the reports, and I can comment. I can do it socially too. Only PushBI you can really do that with. I'm going to take us back to the home screen. I'm going to take us all the way back to home. Let me show you one last feature of PushBI. I'm going to scroll over to the right here, and these are my favorite KPIs, the ones that I really care about. I love watching sales revenue. So if I tap on that, now it's selected, I have the ability to make it or remove it as a favorite here. But what I want to do is I want to pin it. I want to pin it to my start screen. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to label it. They say pin to start. I'm going to jump over to my start screen, and there's my sales revenue right there on my desktop, always with me. So I can always pin my favorite KPIs, even like a stock ticker, right to my desktop. Only PushBI can do that. Anyway, that is just a quick demo of just a few of the features found in PushBI for Windows 8. We're happy to take you into an in-depth review of the solution if you'd like one. But probably the easiest way to do it is just go visit the Windows 8 App Store, download it, and give it a try yourself. When you're ready to hook it up to information, you can just visit our pushbi.com website. We now have PushBI Now, which allows, we host the solution in your data, and you can immediately connect to your data in less than 24 hours. Or if you're interested in installing PushBI within your enterprise, you can contact us and we can help you get started with that. Thank you for watching.